really open, inclusive and welcoming.
Curious is a good word to describe it. It's been very friendly.
Just flat out inspirational.
There are so many students out there who are really talented, but they don't apply to Oxford. We want to really broaden the diversity of people who apply to us, and so that is one of the key reasons why we're having this workshop.
We've had so much information and support and advice about the application process.
It's giving you a real network of peers that will support you and be your friends throughout your PhD.
I was expecting more of a rigid seminar, but it's been more engaging, more personal.
Places like Oxbridge have always had this prestigious reputation that seems to exclude marginalised communities and people from disadvantaged backgrounds.
I don't think I would be able to afford a PhD in Oxford.
It can be really scary to apply somewhere like here, and I think once you get to talk to people and once you get to set foot here, you realise that everyone is here for a reason and everyone's passionate about that reason.
The people are so much lovelier and less frightening than you might imagine.
I think after these 2 days I've really gained a level of confidence in thinking actually maybe I could come here and feel like I deserve to be here.
Absolutely, it's blowing my expectations.